Hello, what's up YouTube? Hope you all are doing good. In today's video, we're gonna talk about trustworthy crypto wallets that you can actually rely on. Because choosing a wallet is one of the most important things, and at the same time very confusing because there are so many options out there. And if you choose a wrong wallet, then there's a high chance of you losing your funds.
Ho ho ho!
So, in this video, I'll be sharing some of the best wallets that are used worldwide and are pretty safe and trustworthy. So, without any further ado, let's get started with our first wallet, and that is hardware wallets. Hardware wallets are considered to be the most safest way to store your crypto offline.
Ho ho ho!
And these are physical devices that look like a little USB drive or a smart card, and they allow you to control your private keys completely. One of the most popular hardware wallets is Ledger and Trezor. I have both of them. They are very easy to use. You just need to download the Ledger Live app or the Trezor app on your smartphone or PC, and it will guide you through the setup process.
Ho ho ho!
And the best part about hardware wallets is that they keep your private keys offline so no one can access your funds unless you have the physical device. And these devices also come with a PIN, so that also adds another layer of security. But do note that if you lose your device or forget the PIN, then you might lose access to your funds forever.
Ho ho ho!
Now moving on to our next wallet, and that is mobile wallets. Mobile wallets are becoming more and more popular nowadays because of their ease of use, and they also give you complete control over your PR. I've 8 keys. Some of the most popular mobile wallets are Trust Wallet and MetaMask.
Ho ho ho!
Trust Wallet is available for both Android and iOS, and it allows you to buy, sell, trade, and also stake your crypto all within the app. It has a wide range of coins and tokens supported, and it also has a built-in decentralized exchange which allows you to swap tokens easily. MetaMask, on the other hand, is a browser-based wallet
Ho ho ho!
that is widely used by crypto enthusiasts and traders because it allows you to interact with the Ethereum blockchain and dApps. It is available as an app for Android and iOS, but it is also accessible as a browser extension for Chrome, Firefox, and Brave. The good thing about mobile wallets is that they are very convenient to use, and you can access them from anywhere at any time.
Ho ho ho!
But do note that they are connected to the internet, so they are more vulnerable to hacks and malware, so it is important to take proper security measures. Moving on to our third wallet, and that is desktop wallets. Desktop wallets are installed directly onto your computer, and they offer a good balance between convenience and security. Some of the most popular desktop wallets are Exodus and Electrum.
Ho ho ho!
Exodus is a full-service wallet that allows you to buy, sell, trade, and also stake your crypto. It has a built-in exchange which allows you to swap coins and tokens easily, and it supports a wide range of cryptos. Electrum, on the other hand, is a lightweight wallet that is known for its simplicity and speed.
Ho ho ho!
It only supports Bitcoin, but it is very popular among Bitcoin enthusiasts.
Ho ho ho!
The good thing about desktop wallets is that they are more secure than mobile wallets because they are not connected to the internet, and they also offer more features than web wallets. But do note that they are only useful for people who have a laptop or a desktop, and they are not very convenient to carry around. Now moving on to our fourth wallet, and that is web wallets.
Ho ho ho!
Web wallets are also known as hot wallets, and they are based on cloud technology. So basically you access them through a website. Some of the most popular web wallets are Coinbase Wallet and Binance Wallet. Web wallets are very easy to set up and use, and they are very convenient because you can access them from anywhere at any time, and they are also available on both desktop and mobile.
Ho, ho, ho!
But the main problem with web wallets is that they are connected to the internet, so they are more vulnerable to hacks and scams. So, it is important to choose a reputable exchange or platform to store your crypto. So these were some of the best and most trustworthy crypto wallets that you can rely on.
Ho, ho, ho!
Now, before we wrap up, let me share some tips to keep your crypto safe. Always back up your private keys. Enable two-factor authentication. Beware of suspicious links and never share your private keys with anyone. Also, do share your favorite crypto wallet in the comments below. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you found this video helpful.
Ho, ho, ho!
If you did, then make sure to smash that like button, turn on notifications, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, keep learning. Stay safe, and I'll catch you later. Peace out.
Ho, ho, ho!